on anatomy koton afretie ansa na eja wanya bi enso e de ama no NANA AMA MCBROWN ato aduane adi kwan a o ma me fa so asese kakakra bi anke wo eye ono NANA AMA MCBROWN no enso e wo ka mu. Like this story of NANA AMA MCBROWN is very interesting. This was a conversation between eye ono and Bolare on Star Chat conversation. Very beautiful conversation. E be bie wani amwo a lot of things about NANA AMA MCBROWN. Even a kwan of fa so be bora the Kumawood movie industry ni and obey actress. She even added a conversation for the first time what really transpired between on the father Dixon Tia or no NANA AMA MCBROWN or free a UTV. Based on the one NANA AMA MCBROWN the two Jano. Say Bolare Cratches and Nana say now to me fast so if UTV there and then that was really disrespectful for the better no was saying go trust. But the baby conversation ni kwani muname tina seba. Well, I am really sure you're gonna enjoy every bit of this conversation, which is credited to Star Chat with Bolare. You will remember the first time I open this channel, so do not forget to subscribe to my culture. Says this here be general news in same course of Ghana in the back kahon so amamoha. They call politically, culturally, and general trending issues are able free a Ghana. Let's share pass. Also subscribe to you and on Sabo a domanaso which you should all know ebebano. Out of that option, and then I made a video 2 more. So sa ebedi can kebi. Afretie and tomato tie and NANA AMA MCBROWN na otoma no di bi ahwe no. Amene yadwane edi.
How was it like on your birthday being on a sick bed? You turn 47, you don't look it, you look like a 28 or maybe I'm now about to hit 30. How was it like on the day first before we talk about your good genes?
You know, this year I decided to take my day very cool. Wow. And I don't know why I even ended up on a hospital bed.
So there was not going to be any celebration at all?
No. Ah. Before my birthday every year there's a feeling. It's natural, it comes what to do. I pray about it and I save some money along the year for things like that. Right. So this year I was supposed to release a woman, a pregnant woman from the prisons in Kumasi. Okay. When I realized, or when I was ready, by the time I was ready, a church had done that. And I had that intention already. So I spoke to Mr. Ibrahim, who is the CEO, the presenter, the host of Crime Check. Right. Crime Check TV. Thank you so much, sir. And we have that friendship. We have that conversation most of the time. And when I spoke to him, I said, oh, you know. I was like, no, I still want to do it. Then my birthday is here. Instead of one person, why can't I do something to mark my birthday? Wow. So there's no need to go and do donation or go and... I wasn't ready to have a party. So we spoke, and when I said that, he was like very happy. Why not, Nana? So I told him, Mr. Ibra, I don't have too much money. So let's look at the people that are committed and are something less than 5,000. Wow. If we can do that, then I can afford it. I can fund it. So when he said, oh, no, some people are even like 1,008, 1,002, 1,003. So with under 5,000, it's enough to get a lot of people. Wow. So we concluded on having 47 inmates out. 47 inmates?
Yes. If averagely you even spent 2,000 on a person, multiply that by 47. You did a lot for them, Nana. 47 by to God's mark grace. Your 47th birthday.
Yes.
That's incredible.
Yes. I've gone through a lot this year. I have gone through a lot this year.
What informed that? You know, because I also see that you're very spiritual, so this must be divine to say that, look, I'm not just doing it for one person or two people, but 47. You've gone through a lot. Why that?
There are some things that when I do it, I get satisfied inwardly. I don't know how I can.
Do you feel fulfilled?
More than fulfilled. It's like, as a so sometimes the money I save for doing enough, I have to go to other coffers.
And then
and this year I decided not to even go to my sponsors, because most of the time, the years, if you look at the things I donate, High Sense, Tasty Thorn,
so you did
everybody's part.
All of this all by yourself? From your own coffers? No sponsor?
No. That's my life, Bola. I grew up with my grandmother. And meNANA, no ton adwene. And then sometimes gari. Sometimes me, I sell plantain.
Oh, so you sold plantain before?
Ebola, you don't know too much about your sister.
Well, and people feel that, oh, you're all glamorous, you're just out there. Just
growing up was tough.
Tough for you.
Very tough. And surviving to this day, every day, I am very grateful to God. I drive to Kumasi, and where my house is, I have to go through my old area to my new house. So every day is a reminder that this is where you were, and this is where you
now have your own house in Kumasi, or maybe houses in Kumasi are here. How many houses do you have in Kumasi now? 2 or 3? By the grace of God? 2? 5?
No.
No, listen.
I have some things.
I know, no, but you are an inspiration to the girl child.
Right now, I will say I have some things, but I have a complete home
in Kumasi.
In Kumasi.
You were born there, you were raised there.
Me and my miss were women crying.
You were born in Accra.
But it was like quick. I think so soon Koya will me taxi mukra.
Oh, she nearly gave birth to you in a taxi. That's why you love driving.
Me peka dodo, me peka.
No, for it's an appeal. Somebody will surprise you with a car. So that's a call from the Empress. So you grew up in Kwadaso. Tell us about life in Kwadaso.
Okay, in Kwadaso, yeah.
Yes.
Now our family houses are those round, you know, round like
a compound house.
Compound house, round 10 bedrooms. Your uncle, your auntie, in one room.
That's
kind of using one toilet, one washroom.
Wow.
Yes, one entry, one exit, the same entry.
God bless you.
So when they lock it, you stay outside, or your mommy will come in, or you have to pass around and go and knock your mother's window. Then, because that time there's no phone, there's no bell.
That's right.
And then my grandma moved us from the round house to her uncompleted building. I'm sure when she was young, she was trying to build, and she couldn't finish. So that kind of house in Ibino. So I remember my grandmother took me to Kejetia, and when we were going, she had tied her something and was on her head. When we got to Kejetia, she gave it to me. I mean, from the car.
You were how old?
Oh, I think I was around 12, 14 there. 14, 15 there. My grandmother loved me so much. That's right. That kind of thing. Wherever
nobody
she goes,
would guess to rape you.
Rape me. So wherever she goes, she takes me along. To funeral, I'll follow her. To her friend's house, she will take me. She will leave everybody and take me. So when we got to Kejetia, I saw that my grandmother is selling her clothes. Nintoma, your friend of Afretie.
What's that?
In Ashanti region, Afretie means the things you've wear, you've used, if you're coming to sell them, especially in Toma cloth. And I saw that, I didn't understand it. So when she sold it, right there, we went to the Dr. Men's area there to go and buy roofing sheet. They folded it. We put it on top of it, brought it to Kejetia Paupa, on top of a trotro to Kwadaso. So I realized that she went to roof one of her room in the house there, and then she moved us from there.
Goosebumps. Wow.
If I talk about it, I'll even cry. And she took us to her house. So that's where I grew up.
Did you get a better offer from Media General or Nia TV? Did you say to yourself that when I've gotten to this crescendo or this level, I want to move on? What was it for you, Nana? For the first time, maybe you want to let us into it.
Oh, B.
Yes.
I will say it this way and genuinely. And if I'm not feeling good, I would want to move on. But I would want to move peacefully. Because I know where my vision is. Media General, if I get tired, I will move. It's like that with every human.
Were you tired with McBrown's Kitchen and everything, hosting showbiz?
I'm not tired with hosting. I won't be tired.
You were not tired?
No.
But you said you were tired, so you wanted to move on from UTV.
What I say I'm tired is where you get in life. It's not the environment, and it's not the people.
Okay.
It is me.
Okay.
I have done this. This is the line. My year drew her.
You think
me here another space to a higher speed no yeah. And mommy leverage no. And mommy okay, but me feel say me na me dem home. And me continue. I just want to have another set. I don't know if you understand me.
They could have provided the same set for you with a different feel.
Maybe
still
I am not getting the right words.
Maybe. Tell us.
I am not getting. Despite media is still a home.
Right.
From here, if I want to have an interview,
Great.
I can call Father.
Anytime.
I still speak to Father on your... I will tell you.
Good.
We are very good friends.
Thanks for clarifying that.
I still speak to Father. I can call Father and say, Father, we hear promo. United Showbiz, me know na building. I say me baso. I be me say Father be can know. I be hear me nwanwa. O can know I call despite ho. When you intra, me da so na fine. O can know.
So all those rumors and things that are there.
Dr. Sapon. To be honest, me call Dr. Sapon and say me call despite. Because yana crofo feel say me fa ho. E dia asa anase me power until me ko no.
Okay.
Logistically.
You respect the structures.
Yes, I will. And I know Father will not say no for me to even go. I left UTV peacefully.
So why was there the brouhaha and all the things? And sometimes when you post, people will say we are attacking them. When they also post, people feel there's something. How come?
Maybe the time was short because my on UTV was 25th December. And like I said, I left UTV peacefully because I had told Father before 25th. God is my witness. Me mpese meja mark basa because my age ma medidi wo ho. Me mitimi ko despite papa miniska ofa miniska. O hwe me kwa. Oh. What you say? Anya me pay no na hwe me wo. Na me call despite also. Oh. Intino, I told Father before. And Father was like, I won't let you go. That's the truth.
Wow. Wow.
And I knew say man fa force and kwa ma me nko.
Okay. Did you tell Dr. Sapon or it was only Father?
It was only Father. Because before United Showbiz, I had my Brown's Kitchen, then Father was the one I was dealing with. And what I do is the work, Father is the boss.
That's right. So you respect the structures.
The structures.
Super.
I don't take advantage of my uncle despite with. And what I do is the work, Father is the boss.
That's right. So you respect the structures.
The structures.
Super.
I don't take advantage of my uncle despite or my friendship. Until now, quite to say, "Oh, you see, despite I be manipulate situation, you know." But I so move on to another. Say, Father, any problem, kind of no. That was not the idea.
Okay.
So since everything UTV, I don't go to despite.
So Father didn't want you to leave.
To go.
And why did you still have to go? That means that you didn't give him that respect, or you thought if you listen some more, you'd be, asked to stay, so you didn't want to?
This is it, B.
Tell us.
When Father didn't want me to go, I already had a feeling to go. And this work, we work with feelings. We work with, the energy is the feeling. It's not about the salary, it's not about, media generally didn't give me anything special that despite couldn't have given me. Your feelings.
Okay.
Intino, me feel say, na me person me change my brand no.
Okay.
So kakra. Enye ne boni mo.
Do you have regrets leaving UTV for Media Jaunia?
I don't think I regret anything I do in life because like I said, I think through it and I see the vision. Into me regret it. Media am any say my build this show no that so jina na so na ne obi tena ho na okasa on to me and wonyam no e need to we will share.
Do you watch UTV or United
Me who social media?
I who social media, but you don't make it a point to say I'm tuning in.
No crying 19 na man family show no Hannah Ange today.
Oh, so you thought through it that you don't want to have a conflict of. Oh.
Media General gave me freedom to do what I want.
To pitch it head to head, you could have done that.
No, man can say me chasing.
No, I'm saying that you could have done that at the same time.
Yes. Media General told me that this is a platform we are giving you. What can you bring on board? Then I took my ideas to them. And then we all sat down. They said, okay, we have this time, we have this time, we have this time, we have this time. Choose. Which one were you going to pick? I could have chosen Saturday because no matter what, I had time. I said, no, my show is different. So I want people to relax and give them new energy to the new week.
Right.
So I want a Sunday. Besides, Saturdays are too busy for me. I needed my Saturday too. Okay. I missed a lot of VGMs. I missed a lot of events. I missed all because of Saturday.
Hosting Saturday shows.
Do you know I was supposed to be presenting Global Citizen?
Oh really? So you were the original MC for Global Citizen? You missed it because of United Show, because you were on air around that time. This is news for us.
Yes.
So you were the original MC for Global Citizens that happened in 2022 in Ghana at the Independence Square.
I was part of the Ghanaian MCs.
Oh.
So one of them took my role. Which I
okay.
Those are all the things put together that.
And you thought the Saturday should be for me. Is it also about family as well?
Yes, because like I said, funerals,
right,
programs, parties, other stuff that I missed a lot. Or most of the time I'm not there.
Right.
And because I'm on TV, they'll forgive me. But truthfully, I also sometimes want to be there.
You want to be there. So you also want to be at the events, the Ghana Music Awards, the Emmy Awards, Global Citizens like you mentioned and all of that. And you're right. How then did you get into acting? I mean, during the intro, I recounted how you were discovered by Miracle Films. You heard that call on radio for an audition. Walk us through that.
After I came back, deported and frustrated, crying every day, one day I tuned into forcɛ. I heard our late brother, Kumawood, had an interview, and then he left some numbers behind that whoever is interested to go to Miracle Films. I went there, and I don't know how God always, in my difficult times, opened doors for me. So I went to Miracle Films. At that time, his shop was at Edum. So I went there, and God works
mysterious ways.
Most in my life, I always say this. Just when there's an obstacle or a difficult time and I don't know what to do, there's a direction. That's how God does it, or do something different. So when I went there, I met a lot of people, but I met two guys, and they were like, if you want to act, then you have to register. I registered, and I was like, put my name there, but I don't have money.
Right.
So when he wrote my name there, and I said, I had said I don't have the money. He was like, oh, no, you have to, if you want to be part. So I was like, I'm going to bring money, but you put my name there. I will bring you the money. Immediately I stepped out. I met Morris, and big thank you to Morris and Mr. J and Joe. Joe, and both were at Miracle Films. So they were, who are you looking for? I was like, I want to act, but they said I should go and get money. Somebody down there. So I'm going to get money, but I have my name there. And they were like, come. I could see, money what do you want to do? And then I told them. So right there, the guy gave me a script that this is the script, go and learn. I said, I don't know what it's about. So it's a storyline. So it's like Aku is a girl, or a cock and a hen kind of story. So when you are reading, you follow it.
That's right.
I said, okay. I took the script home. So the next Sunday, we went to audition at Cultural Center. That's where they had said the rules already. I thought I was going to read the script when I come, and
then
I'll be auditioning. I sat and sat. They were auditioning themselves, as in the Miracle Films they had done audition long time ago, and they were now trying to figure who to have this role. But they give one character to about 4 people. So that was what they were doing. I was seated watching. So after everything, it was like we had done, these are the people we are going to be working with, but everybody to stay glued. In case somebody miss out, we will call you. So I was like, hey, it's in bed and cry. And he was like, okay, right now, I want to start creating crew from Kumasi. Everybody comes from Accra. So this production, we are going to bring people from Accra. And then I'll get people from here to assist them. So by third production, you all will have an idea of sound or this or that. So after that, it was like, so I want people right now to be light people, then they will stand up. Makeup, then you get another people. So you got to costume. So like costume, everybody was seated. Costume, everybody was seated. I said, let me say, costume, my daddy.
You didn't even know what.
I didn't even know. Wow. They were using some terms there.
Yes,
so I didn't know what
it was.
That term, but I know that costume is like creating an outfit or for some. So costume, my dad was say you man need den kra no wo na be che omuntare obeto obebobo obi apon ko fie no na wo de wo bobo niam nto obi ampe. So when the person said that, I said so I can't meet him, so I'm going to be on a set with them. Then I stood up, I said, I'm new here. The costume, I don't know it, but if you show me or you teach me, I'll do it.
Wow.
And it was like, oh, okay, and come and write your name. Here. Where do you live? I said, Kwada. So, oh, I live at Tanoso, opposite Yasantua Secondary School. Kwada so and Tanoso is like Denta Medina. So I said, then I'll come. So the Tuesday, he gave me Tuesday morning I went there. And that's how come I'm here.
A quite of fast be actress or ne father Dixon or Muntem the course or as a interview no course of Canabula rail, a percent cow fuck when be so. It tried an NANA AMA MCBROWN or NANA AMA MCBROWN super say or twice now churching same Emma Ghana for ETS for the first time. Do not forget, we share this video on an atom afraid near the Heno. Or did our Kwan to support on one career. A brabo on any easy, but her baby and your midden bedroom. We are seeing who are a more abamumbu when young couple in baby or bedroom. Do not forget to share this video. Now you have been soon san can be. You don't know, maybe we'll be able to share this video man on the old come sabre easy. With this video I'll be shaman on or be inspired. Who's a brabo Senyami yebi NANA AMA MCBROWN, the Kumawood actress. No Senyami baby amanasa. Once again, biggest credit goes to Star Chat, the combo with Brap and Bolareo. You know, bedding crowd. You better share on the same channel. Share this video, my crowd.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also, the Ebema. Other tribe a flow, only sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know, say, I'll commentary like, or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a orchestra free debate. It's all good. Oh, yeah, dear. K1ng, K1ng will try.